The 1954 Sorrell-Manning Special Roadster is a rare and significant example of mid-century American automotive craftsmanship. Designed and built by Bob Sorrell, a highly skilled fabricator, the car remains one of the most unique fiberglass-bodied sports racers of its time. Bob Sorrell was a master of automotive design and fabrication during the 1950s and 1960s. Working alongside his father at Sorrell Engineering in Inglewood, California, he honed his expertise in aluminum, fiberglass, and various other materials. His craftsmanship attracted diverse clients, including Tommy Ivo, who commissioned aluminum bodies for his famed AA fuel dragsters. Sorrell's most notable creation was the SR100 fiberglass roadster, which initially debuted as an aluminum-bodied prototype on a Kurtis-Kraft 500kk chassis at the 1953 Peterson Motorama, where it received widespread acclaim. Recognizing its potential, Sorrell transitioned to producing limited fiberglass-bodied versions. In total, Sorrell built 7 fiberglass SR100s. However, only 6 were ever delivered. The 7th, known as the Sorrell-Manning Special, was constructed in 1954 for customers named Laster and Pollard. It was built on a Chuck Manning-designed ladder-frame chassis made from chrome moly steel tubing. Unlike conventional sports cars, its fiberglass body was hinged at the rear, similar to NHRA funny cars, allowing easy access to its mechanical components. Despite completion, the car remained unpainted and was never delivered to its original buyers. Over the years, Sorrell resisted multiple purchase offers and kept the car in his personal collection until his passing in 2003. After Sorrell's death, the unfinished SR100 was discovered in a storage container in Southern California. The car changed hands several times before undergoing a comprehensive 2-year frame-off restoration beginning in 2007. This meticulous restoration, carried out by 3 specialized shops, transformed the car into a fully realized masterpiece. The final build featured a powerful Chrysler Marine Hemi V-8 engine breathing through 4 Zenith carburetors mounted on a genuine Briggs-Cunningham intake manifold. Additional details included Stewart Warner gauges set in an engine-turned dash, Hallebrand-style knockoff wheels, Dunlop tires, covered headlights, side-exit exhaust, and competition-style seatbelts. It was finished in a striking metallic blue paint job. Following its restoration, the Sorrell-Manning Special made its public debut in 2010 at the Peterson Museum's Fantasies in Fiberglass exhibit. In 2011, it went on to claim first-in-class honors at both the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance and the Keels and Wheels Concours d'Elegance. That same year, the car was offered at public auction for the first time, with an estimated value between $175,000 and $225,000. While it never saw racing competition, the 1954 Sorrell-Manning Special remains a remarkable artifact of 1950s innovation, blending style, performance, and expert craftsmanship into an unforgettable roadster. As a significant piece of Southern California's golden era of custom coach building, it continues to be celebrated as one of the most unique and historically significant fiberglass-bodied sports cars ever built.